What's going on, my people? This is Elcia Holmes. Welcome back to the Freedom Building Secrets Show. I am super excited to be here with you again today. We will be talking about who is the Freedom Building Secrets Show for.
So the big question is, what is freedom building? Freedom building is my creation of a journey an individual can take to achieve a life of ultimate freedom, a life that you truly desire and deserve. Through the freedom building journey, you can become what I refer to as a freedom builder. A freedom builder is what I am, and more importantly, a freedom builder is what I desire for you to be. So the real question is, are you ready to join me on the journey of freedom building? If so, you, my friend, are in the right place at the right time. My name is Elcia Holmes, and welcome to the Freedom Building Secrets Show.
So today I want to address a big question. Does freedom building only apply to, or is it only for entrepreneurs, business owners, real estate investors, or other types of investors? And the answer is absolutely not. Freedom building is a movement I created. It's a way of life which is based on time-tested principles that apply to almost every facet of life in general. So while majority of what I will be sharing will be related to how you can obtain ultimate freedom through real estate investing, entrepreneurship, business, financial literacy, and personal development, the same exact lessons and principles can be applied to achieving a successful career as an employee as well. Same thing can be applied to having a loving relationship, phenomenal health, as well as almost anything else you can think of as it relates to living the life you truly desire and deserve. Now, a few additional topics I'll also be shedding some light on are essential life skills such as communication, marketing, sales and negotiation, and much, much more. So here's the deal. As long as you are open, to being in a positive only environment, learning new things, and or being reminded of meaningful and actionable knowledge, and or improving your life in any way, this show is for you. So sit back, relax, tune in, pay attention, take notes, execute the freedom building secrets into your life, and watch the improvement that you gain to your success and freedom.
What's going on, my people? This is Elcia again. And as a thank you for tuning in and supporting the show, I want to share one of my secret resources from my private collection with you as a free gift. It's my Freedom Building Secrets cheat sheet, which provides a quick reference for essential components to build a life of freedom, which applies whether you are an employee or an entrepreneur. So be sure to claim your free copy while it's still available. Just go to www.freedombuildingsecrets.com/free to your success and freedom.